Hello guys, how you guys, and I hope you guys are cool. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really glad to be doing this voiceover for you guys, because on my previous video about this DIY feathers braid, I got a lot of questions which I'm going to be addressing in this video. So guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can know whenever I upload amazing what I'm going to be addressing first. This is a DIY. If you don't like the things I used in my video, you can easily use what you feel like using or any idea you think is comfortable for you to do. So I got a lot of comments, people asking what kind of thread is this. This is a normal sewing thread, but please make sure you get the original one. There are some thread when you use them, they cut easily. Make sure you lay your hands on original one. Also, I got a comment like, what kind of gum is this? This is a gun glue gum. Yes, I'm just cutting the stick. Is the stick of the gun gum, so is the stick I'm using in color black. I got question like, why can't I use the gun gum directly? I've done a tutorial on that, is on my channel. I did that as a practical, but you pressing the gun gum is going to dispose a lot and it won't form the tip. Like, it's going to be messy. Just watch out the previous video on my page. It was not giving, it was not forming, you understand? And this straightener is very easy to clean. If you want me to upload a video how you can clean your straightener when you use it for this DIY, I'm be glad to show you. I got question like, why can't you use bonding? You know, bonding for making weave. No, you can't make use of bonding because it's going to come off. Bonding can't really hold the tip like this gum. So I'm going to be giving you a tip on how you can achieve perfect feathers DIY with glue method. This gun gum glue method. When cutting the glue stick, cut it tiny, not big. Do not put a lot of the glue on the straightener. Cut it tiny, then put it as in one by one, not you putting the 2 or 3 you cut out on, how will I put it, not putting everything at the same time. And make sure you put this thread in between the hair, then you can make use of your straightener on it as I'm doing it. This method is very easy to achieve. If you don't want to DIY your own hair, coily hair, you can easily get a crochet hair like this that I got for you to achieve this style. And this is very easy to achieve. Before you know it, 1 hour you are done with achieving DIY full feathers braid for a head. You understand? So that is it, guys. Make sure you keep on watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Keep on watching. Make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use this for miracle braids and how you can easily take it down without not damaging it.